How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Blake Check. If you're new to the channel, my name is Blake. It's nice to meet you. If you're interested in learning about my perspective as an early EV adopter, I invite you to browse the rest of my channel and subscribe for more EV-related content. This is part 2 of my 2-part video series for Tesla Model 3 and Y Basics. In this video, I'll focus on driving and charging your Tesla. Now that your driver settings have been selected and saved, it's time to hit the road. As I mentioned in part 1, to get moving, all you need to do is tap your key card in this location behind the cup holders and place your foot on the brake. When you do this, you'll hear a chime and see the gears appear on screen. If you're using your phone key, all you need to do is put your foot on the brake and shift into gear. One solid tap up on the gear stalk shifts into reverse, one solid tap down shifts into drive, one light tap up shifts into neutral. Finally, to shift into park, you can press the button on the end of the gear stalk. Hold this button down to engage the emergency brake if you're parking on an incline. When you shift into reverse, 3 backup cameras will appear on screen displaying your rear view, left side view, and right side view. When you shift into drive, these camera images will disappear and your map will reappear. If you're navigating to a specific place, you can enter the address manually on the screen, or you can simply tap on the right scroll wheel to activate voice commands. When you hear the chime, you can say navigate to and speak your destination. You can control most of the basic vehicle functions using this voice command feature. If your final destination is further than your remaining range, your Tesla will automatically plot charging stops along your route and give time and battery percentage estimates for your entire trip. I should also mention that the left scroll wheel can be used to adjust volume, change tracks, and pause or play your audio. Alright, less talking, more driving. Once you get going, you'll find that driving your Tesla is just like driving any other car for the most part. To indicate a right turn, tap up once on the left stalk. To indicate a left turn, press down on the left stalk. When you indicate a turn, you'll notice that an image will appear on your center screen displaying your blind spot. This image will disappear once you stop indicating and/or once you complete your turn. Once you've made it out to the open road away from residential areas, you can use your driver assistance features. Which ones your car is capable of executing depends on which computer your Tesla is equipped with. I made a separate video a while back overviewing Tesla's suite of driver assistance software. Tap the link in the top right-hand corner of your screen or in the description below if you're interested in learning about them all. In this video, I'll demonstrate basic Autopilot. To engage Autopilot, simply tap down on the right gear stalk twice while you're driving. When Autopilot is engaged, you'll see 2 blue lines appear on either side of your car in the visualization screen. While Autopilot is engaged, your car will maintain its lane and the distance from the car ahead of you. Use the right scroll wheel to adjust your speed and following distance. Tap the right stalk up once, or tap the brake, or take control of the steering wheel to disengage Autopilot. Your Tesla also has cruise control. Tap down once on the right stalk instead of twice to engage cruise control. Keep in mind that your Tesla will not maintain its lane or distance from the car ahead of you in cruise control. Lastly, let's talk about charging. For the most part, you'll probably charge at home. You have multiple options for home charging. I used the mobile charger bundle that came with my Tesla, plus a 220-volt outlet and adapter to charge at home. It's capable of charging my Model 3 Performance from theoretical 0 to 100% in 8 hours. To start charging, first make sure your vehicle is awake. You may need to unlock it, open your Tesla app, or my favorite, just open the door closest to you like so. Next, tap the button on the top of the charger to open the charge port. Line the mate end of the charger with the socket and insert it firmly. If you've done this correctly, the Tesla T in the charge port will turn green and start flashing. This means it's charging. You can monitor charging progress and adjust the charge rate from the center screen in the cabin or from your Tesla mobile app. When you're done charging, tap the dot and pull the charger out in one swift motion. If you mess up, that's okay, just try again. Whatever you do, don't get frustrated. Be patient with your Tesla and yourself. If you need to charge on the road, you can use Tesla Superchargers. The operation for Tesla Superchargers is essentially the same as home charging. If you haven't already done so, make sure to go to tesla.com and put a credit card on file. This card will be charged anytime you use a supercharger. You can view your payment history in your Tesla mobile app. Superchargers can charge your Tesla much faster than you're capable of charging at home. You can charge your Tesla Model 3 or Y from 20% to 80% in about 20 minutes. Also worth noting, if you're in a pinch or if it's more convenient for you, you can use a third-party charger like this Volta charger if you have a J1772 adapter like this. You'll need a compatible Tesla and a CCS adapter like this one to DC fast charge at stations like Electrify America. But keep in mind, you'll most likely be charging at home 99% of the time like me. Phew, I know, that was a lot of information, huh? The truth is, this was just the tip of the iceberg to help you get started. But trust me, you'll catch on in no time. Teslas have some of the highest ownership satisfaction ratings on the market because once you get past this little learning curve, they're a pleasure to own and drive. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and if this video was helpful to you, leave me a like and subscribe to the channel for more. But that's all I've got for you for now. Thanks for watching. This has been Blake Check, and that's a wrap.